What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new POV video. Today you join me in a car that no one necessarily recognizes or everyone has totally forgotten about, and that is the 2014 Audi RSQ3. I'm pretty sure you who's watching this video has probably never thought about this car, and today I'm going to tell you why it is cool. Big thanks to Car Sales Exclusive, who have partnered up to bring you guys some awesome reviews. Do check out all their socials, which I'll link down in the description below. And yeah, let's get into the POV. So what is the RSQ3? Simply put, it is the more high performance version of the Audi Q3. So this is the model that is built by the RS division, Audi's performance division. And the nice thing is, I'm not sure if you can already tell from the tone, it has the 5-cylinder motor. Speaking of 5-cylinder, let's just take a moment to do a launch control, because this car actually has launch control. So you put it in dynamic, gearbox in sport, traction control in its sport setting, and you're good to go. Let's launch it. Oh, listen to that. Oh my goodness. So 0 to 100 kilometers an hour happens in about 4.8 seconds. And man, it does feel very punchy, hey? So back to the engine. 2.5 liter turbo 5-cylinder. The engine you find in the RS3s and the TTRSs and so forth. So this generation shares platforms with the 8P Audi RS3, which is the 2012 models. But in this car, the power is 228 kilowatts and 420 Newton meters of torque. Well, that is for the earlier models, 2014 to 2015, I think the first model years. And then in 2016, they bumped up the power to 250 kilowatts and 450 Newton meters of torque, which is the power you get in the 8P RS3. So the RS3 has been making the 250 kilowatts from the first model years all the way until the final model years. And man, this thing is so cool, hey? Inside here is the Audi quality we love and recognize with. And this thing is so good, hey? And being a compact SUV, it doesn't feel far off from a hot hatch. So if you're looking for something which is slightly more practical than a hatchback but still has amazing performance, this is the car for you. Oh man. That 5-cylinder tone, man. Woo. Currently I have the panoramic sunroof open. I'm pretty sure the wind noise is coming in like crazy, but hey. And also, it's not the loudest thing, but for a car of this era, it sounds amazing, hey? You get that deep bellowing growl of the 5-cylinder. I think the firing order is 12453, and it just makes this awesome tone, man. It's purely distinctive. Oh. Ah, man, what a car. What a car. This thing is awesome. Such a sleeper. A car that no one would otherwise think about. But damn, man, this is cool, hey? This is really cool. Feels fun. Has all the emotion from the 5-cylinder motor. The 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch transmission as well. Ah. this one is for sale at car sales exclusive, of course. It has 77,000 kilometers on the clock. It's a 2014 model year, and it's going for 454,000 rands. Now the price range on these actually stretches from 330,000 rands for the early cars, 2014, 2015, depending on mileage, and they go all the way up to 650,000 rands for the late year models, 2018, 2019, with relatively low mileage. Yes, 5-cylinder, baby. Let's hear how it sounds like with everything closed up. Gearbox is very snappy, man. I'm saying this again, I think the dual clutch is one of the greatest inventions ever, especially in the automotive industry. I mean, I like even around curves. It's so confidence inspiring. Like, it doesn't feel top heavy. It is so well balanced, man. Yes. Could never get tired of this engine. This engine never gets old. This engine never gets old. And to think you can still buy a car with this engine today, the RS3. Man. And I love how beautiful these analog dials are, and the way the numbers are cramped up on the speedo just so they can accommodate all the numbers all the way up to the top speed, 300 kilometers an hour. Yes, Audi. Yes. Man. What a bygone era, hey? Let's launch it uphill, because why not? Never say no to a launch control. It actually doesn't say if launch is engaged or what, but you'll just know. I don't engage anymore. But hey. Revs all the way to 7,000 RPM. 7,000. This engine is so characterful, hey? It is so characterful. And the thing is, you hardly find any reviews of these things. I think all the reviews that are there are these big corporate companies, 2014 reviews when they first came out. But other than that, there's nothing, man. And to be able to do a POV drive with this thing is just so awesome. It is so awesome. Let me just try launch control again. Check if it's still in dynamic. Okay, it's still in dynamic. There we go. Man. This thing is awesome. This thing is really awesome, hey? How far into the video we are? 9 minutes. Okay, we'll keep it rolling for about 2 to 3 minutes. But yeah, that is the RSQ3, guys. There is a full review coming after the POV, And yeah, let's make our way back to Car Sales Exclusive, and I'll call it a day. So now I think I'll just stay quiet and drive, go up and down through the gears so you guys hear the car and all that jazz. Let's go. Yeah, that is it from me to you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed this POV video. Until next time, that's cheers from me.